Croeso I Theatr y Sherman. My name is Rachel and I'm here to tell you a bit about our upcoming season of work here at Sherman Theatre in Cardiff. We open with the first ever co-production between Theatr Clwyd and Sherman Theatre. This is something we're very excited about because it's a very bold reimagining of a classic text. We know how much audiences love Cherry Orchard last year, so we hope that our audiences are also going to love this very bold look at William Golding's classic Lord of the Flies, and is going to be directed by award-winning Irish director Emma Jordan. I'm also delighted to say that we are producing Fel and Ifael by the late and really very great Mike Povey. This is an exceptional piece of Welsh language work and an absolute jewel in the Welsh language canon. This will be directed by Jack Van Moore, who is one of the emerging Welsh artists that we have nurtured here at the Sherman, and I'm very, very proud that Jack is going to take the helm of this classic text. We are also proud to present a brand new piece of work by our company in residence, Cwmni Plien, which is also a bilingual piece of work. So I'm very proud to say we're presenting some of the very best work in the national language here in Cardiff. Sherman is always committed to developing the very best of Welsh talent, and so I'm very excited to tell you about our brand new initiative called Get It While It's Hot. This is an opportunity for the very best emerging Welsh theatre companies to have an opportunity to put their work on a beautiful studio stage and to show their work at whatever stage they're ready to share with our audiences and with our contacts and with you, of course, our audience, and to give them an opportunity to really see what it feels like to produce professional theatre and have the support that brings to the table for them. So it's very exciting for audiences who can come along at 6:30 on their way home from work, see some really hot, exciting new Welsh work, have a pie, have a pint, have a glass of wine in a very relaxed and informal atmosphere, and see what's absolutely hot off the presses here in the capital. And finally, I know that you all love this, so I'm really, really happy to say that we are once more producing an actor-musician big Christmas family extravaganza. This year it's Alice in Wonderland, and I'm so happy to say that I'm directing it. So that's on our main stage. In our studio, we have a really exciting prospect for our under-7s audiences, which is our piece of Welsh and English work, which this year is going to be devised and created by our former associate director, Gethin Evans. This is Little Red, a very new and quirky response to the classic fairy tale Little Red Riding Hood. So we look forward to seeing you again.